If you've ever sent a contract and then had to wait and follow up just to get a signature, you already know how frustrating that process can be. It slows everything down. Deals get delayed, sometimes they even fall through. So I checked out a tool called BreezeDoc, and it's designed to make that whole process a lot smoother. The idea is pretty straightforward. Instead of sending documents back and forth manually, you can upload your contract, add signature fields, and send it for signing in just a few clicks. And the person on the other side doesn't even need to create an account. They can just open the link and sign. It works for things like contracts, agreements, invoices, basically anything that needs a legally binding signature. What I like is how simple it is. You can either upload your own document or use pre-made templates, then just drag and drop things like signature boxes, initials, dates, and text fields wherever you need them. Once you send it, the tool keeps track of everything. You can see when someone opens the document, whether they've signed it or not, and even send automatic reminders if they haven't completed it yet. So you're not constantly chasing people manually. Another useful part is the automation around the process. When the document is fully signed, it automatically sends the final version to all parties. And you can even connect payments, so after signing, clients can move straight into paying you. It's also positioned as a simpler and more affordable alternative to tools like DocuSign or Adobe Sign, especially for freelancers and small businesses. Now, to be fair, this isn't a full enterprise-level solution. It doesn't have every advanced compliance feature, like full HIPAA or advanced identity verification, and it's still evolving as a relatively new product. But that's kind of the point. It's built to be lightweight, easy to use, and affordable, not overly complex. So overall, BreezeDoc feels like a tool that removes friction from a very specific part of your business, getting documents signed. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or running a small business, it can save you time, reduce back and forth, and help you close deals faster without overcomplicating things.